Hey there, Ryflex here. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to take really good screenshots. Maybe you already knew it, and it's also maybe why you just search for this video, but you know, the snipping tool isn't that good. Like you see it's not that bad, but it we can do better. So the most bad thing is if you want to take small things like this, then you see it's not really good. Oh, so what you need to do here is go to the and press Control plus Shift plus this. Oh yeah, and first there we go. And now it opened a little window right here. So what you need to do right now is go here. Nice. Keep in mind it isn't dangerous. Okay. Now you need to click here, and you can do whatever name you want. I should do screenshot, and the recommend size. This what I recommend is 1020 times 540. That's the most, yeah, that is the most matching like normally. And now you press this, yeah, and Alt. Now you have this little thing, and exit this and press this. Now you need to go to your custom device. You see it's almost same like this. It's a little bit different, but yeah, maybe you can change it yourself a little bit. But yeah. Now you need to go to this three dots and press capture screenshot. Now it automatically downloads it, and you see it's better quality than first time. So if you want a better quality, you can go here and press, for example, you can do 4 and like that. Oh, and you see it's a lot better than first. So you can do funny things with it. Oh yeah, it must be less than 10. Let's check this, okay? Let's see how high the screenshot will be then. Capture screenshot. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it takes so long. It does take a few seconds to load, you see. But the quality is very good. Ooh, it needs what you see how incredibly high the quality is. It's insane. What you can literally, it's still really good looking. You see, incredibly high quality. Yeah, if you do it with the snipping tool, I will show you again. Snipping tool, and then go to the app, for example, and go here. If I take a full screenshot, full size, and now go here, you see it's a lot lower. It's very low quality. So if you want to exit it, you only need to close this window, and it's all back like normal. It's just all normal. And if you want to get rid of it, you open it again. Oh, I forgot. Do it like this. If you want to get rid, only click this, and boom, you don't have any problems with it anymore. Thanks for watching. I hope you like.